Hi guys, you are watching Mr. Tranquilo's channel. My friends and I hiked 120 kilometers in the Listen Way in 8 days. The Listen Way is one of the top 10 hiking routes in the world. We saw many beautiful places during our hike. After a long and tiring hike, we wanted to rest. We decided to stay for 2 days in Kaş, one of the most beautiful towns in the region. Enjoy the video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in next episode.
Hello friends, after 1 year I'm in Kaş again. Herkese merhaba. Tekrar bir yıl sonra Kaş'a geldim. Tabii Kaş deyince akla hemen dalış geliyor. The diving centers are really famous in here. There are a lot of boats for diving and a lot of fishermen also. Ve bir sürü tabii balıkçı var burada. Now we are in the Kaş port. Şimdi Kaş limanındayız. Ve biraz sonra buradan böyle çıkıp eski şehre yürüyeceğiz. I will walk to the old city over there soon. It's on the top, it's on the hill. Let's go guys now. And a lot of fishermen nets. Ve bir sürü de burada balıkçı ağı var gördüğünüz gibi. Tekneleri buradan aşağı indiriyorlar. Tekneler hazırlandıktan sonra, boyandıktan sonra bu hemen yandaki kısımdan suya indiriliyor tekneler. From this place, all the boats is going into the water from this place. And they are working on the boats. Now we are going to walk through the city center and old town right there. The water of the sea in this area in Kaş. It's crystal clear water, so they have a lot of beautiful beaches. Burada çok güzel plajlar var Kaş'ın genelinde. The first stop will be, I guess, ice cream shop. Dondurma alacak mıyız? Evet. So we have to walk from this way to go to the main street. Then we will have an ice cream. Right there. Yeah, this is the main street. Burası ana cadde. There are the Gloria Jeans Coffee in the entrance, or the Gloria Jeans Coffee var. Her taraf dondurmacı dolu. Nereden alacağız dondurmayı? Hangisi? Seçin bir tanesini, bilmiyorum. Hangisi olursa. Maraş olur, bu olur. Herkes burada sırada. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Yeah, it's time for ice cream. I have ice cream. I like ice cream. Yes, this time I have caramel and pistachio. Nice. Ice cream time. Yeah, here's the vitamin bar. Oh, look.
Baby, it's like a light storm. To be yours, thunder crashing till the sky's torn. You're like a light storm, a light storm, a light storm.
Yeah, this is up there is the old town. So we are going to walk this way. From here, of course. We go from here and we'll turn from that way. We go up. There's the statue of Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, the founder of Turkey. And you see a lot of ice cream and waffle stuff in downtown. Is it me? No, it's not me. Orange juice. Right here. way up. Yeah, this is the most famous street. There are a lot of souvenir shops around. I love this place. Burayı çok seviyorum. Love. And very stone street. There are a lot of t-shirts and magnets. And ceramic, of course. Very beautiful shops, and this is the map. Oh, this is where we're walking. We start to walk from here, Ortaca, and we walk all the way in this way. And then now we are in Kaş. Yeah. This is the restaurant. Another wine shop. House wine. And this is typical houses right here. This is typical. Very big.
No, there were some like bluesy versions of some.
Handmade stuff. Alright. This is a coffee. Smells coffee, kahve kokuyor. Amazing. The street from this way. Very beautiful balconies. Çok güzel balkonlar var. Colorful. And here is in the center of the city. It's a king tomb. Ancient king tomb. Oh my god, this is history. History is in the city. A lot of handmade stuff. Burada birçok el işi var. You know, very colorful. It has a bookstore out there. We go up this way. Let's go this way. A lot of motorcycles. Bir sürü motor var burada. Yazlık yer olduğu için motorları tercih ediyor herkes ulaşımda. It's hot in here usually, so they have a lot of motorcycles. Look, some restaurants, fish restaurants, bazı balık restoranları var. Çok da güzel bence. Buranın özelliği de çok güzel manzarası vardır buranın. The streets full of beautiful restaurants because it has really beautiful view up there in terraces. It's amazing view. Yaz zamanı burası tabi full oluyor. Usually in summertime it's usually full. See, It's a beautiful view from here. And all the terraces are here, bars and restaurants. This carpet, they are selling carpets. See a lot of carpets, the world famous Turkish carpets. In here you can see different models, different types. And in the same time, it's a restaurant with a beautiful view right here. See the view? Amazing view of the port. And another terrace. It's actually a meyhane. Meyhane means where you can drink raki, traditional Turkish drink. Meyhane var burada bir tane. Çok güzel bir şey var, yeri var. Bence çok müthiş. Another beautiful restaurant and terrace, kitchen terrace. The street goes all the way up this way, and this is there is the end of the street. I mean, street is an old town, so we will go down this way. It's so small. Of course, a lot of travel agencies around. Here is the municipality. Burası da belediye. Let's check out this street. So beautiful store.
I have seen roses damasked red and white, but no such roses see I in her cheeks. And in some perfumes is there more delight than in the breath that from my mistress reeks.
This is another narrow street. This narrow street goes the same center. Look.
Kolay kapatıyor. Hadi bakalım, merak etme, iyi akşamlar, bakarım ben.
So beautiful. Peaceful. Old style Ottoman houses. Eski stil Osmanlı evleri. Yeah, go this way.
Laying bed awake at night, dreaming of the things that I could say. It's too late. Do I feel like I should have known by now? 'Cause everyone is just pretending to know. So finding out is all it goes.
Beautiful markets. different types. Nice restaurants. It's shade. I will go up here. There's another place. Street. Now we are going to have a coffee. Yes, we will have a coffee. This is the center.